Hey everyone! Today we are making one of my favorite sweet treats on all of Disney property, the Mickey Beignets from French Quarter Resort. They are sold at the Scat Cat Lounge, and I swear the first time we had these, I heard angels sing. They are pillowy, soft, chewy, and the perfect amount of sweetness. I've never had a New Orleans beignet before, but these just blew me away, and now we love making them at home. I'll show you step by step how to make these in a simple, easy way. So let's go get started. So in the bowl of my stand mixer, I'm adding 1 cup of warm water, 1 package of active dry yeast, and 1/4 cup of sugar, and we're just going to mix that together and wait for the yeast to start to bloom, about 5 minutes or so. Then I am adding in a 1/2 cup of milk, the additional 1/4 cup of sugar, 1 teaspoon of vanilla extract, and 1 large egg. And again, we're just going to mix that together. And once that is incorporated, we are going to add in 2 cups of all-purpose flour and mix that. So now I attached a dough hook onto my mixer, and we are just going to start kneading this dough together. So then we are going to add in about 2 more cups of flour, but I like to add it in a little bit at a time to make sure that we're getting the right consistency of dough, which I will show you here in a little bit. But after I add about a cup of flour, I'm going to add in 3 tablespoons of very softened butter. And we're going to let that incorporate. Now what you're looking for with your dough is for it to pull away from the sides completely like you see here, and when you touch it, it will be soft but not sticky. So see, it's not really sticking to my fingers there. That's exactly what you're looking for. So you may need more than 2 cups of flour. It really just depends on a lot of environmental factors, the humidity, things like that. So then I have a large bowl that I oiled, and I'm just going to place the ball of dough in there. Cover it with saran wrap and a tea towel, and we're going to let that rise in a warm place for about 2 hours or until it's doubled in size. So I dusted a little bit of flour on our work surface, and I'm going to dump the dough onto that. And what we're going to do is roll or pat the dough into about a 1/2 inch thickness in a rectangle shape, or oval, really, doesn't matter. Now at this point you could cut them into squares, but I am using my Mickey cookie cutter here to make the classic Mickey Mouse shape. And we are just going to keep cutting out Mickeys until we have no more dough left. Now I have a large pot with oil that is heated to 360 degrees, and I'm just keeping it over medium heat. And we are going to cook about 3 beignets at a time. And once you start to see them turning golden brown on the bottom, you're just going to flip them over and continue to cook them until they are golden brown on both sides. The process takes about 3 to 4 minutes. And then we're just going to keep cooking these in batches until we're all done. I have a sheet pan with parchment paper and paper towels that I'm going to drain these on as I am taking them out as well. And lastly, I have a half a cup of powdered sugar, and we are just going to coat these with sugar. That is one of the best parts. And there you have it, our beautiful Mickey Beignets. Ugh, look at how fluffy they are on the inside. These things are incredible. Well, I really hope you enjoyed making beignets with me, and if you liked this video, please be sure to give it a thumbs up, as it does really help my channel, and definitely subscribe if you want to see more fun Disney recipes in the future. Thanks for watching. Bye!